Hey YouTube, I just came back from the store and I got two Moshi Monster Series 1 blind pack. Okay, as you can see, it's sealed. Okay, so let's start with this pack. I'll use my hands. Just ripped it. Okay, our collector card is Professor Perplex, and behind there's a secret code and my thumb. Okay, never mind, I'll give you the code. You may like to post. And got Lady Malford and Doris. I don't have them yet, so it's good. Lady Malford's number is number 30 and Doris' number is number 40. Okay, so good one. It's a good one. And by the way, inside it includes two Moshi card and secret code. The secret code is a free in-game item. Now use the scissors. And by the way, this is also sealed. Okay. Collector's card is Fifi. And I got another Lady Malford, number 30. And she got a heart shape over here. And another Doris. Number 40. Okay. So these are duplicates pack. It's quite funny. Okay. Professor Perplex. Behind is the quote. Let me move and shave that a little bit. Professor Perplex, Doris, Lady Malford. So these are duplicates back. And Fifi, Doris, but it's okay. I could sell it on the internet. Oops. Could you please keep quiet? Number 30 and Doris is number 40. Okay, so I've really shoot them 2 times. Unless their code card is different. Okay, so these are duplicates back. And then get something. Never mind. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you want those for trade, it's okay. If you want to trade them, please comment down below. Those is quite nice. So I'm still happy with them because I don't have them yet. Those. Okay. Doris is the dinosaur, and the dinos, and Lady Malford is the kitties. And she's not in our career. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And all the great too. Do packets packet.